They were fully excited to enable Microsoft Copilot, new AI, new workflows, and new productivity. But within next 24 hours, their compliance teams applied the brake. The reason? Copilot was surfacing important critical data to those users who were never supposed to see it. This was not just a technical issue, this was a legal risk with GDPR implications. Hello everyone, I'm Rana Usman, your Microsoft Cloud and Security Architect and your Microsoft Mentor. And this is a true story of how we fixed a critical Copilot rollout before it became a headline. Most companies think that Copilot is just a toggle. You assign the license, you flip the switch and let people do the experiment. But Copilot doesn't just search in Microsoft Teams or Outlook. It has access to SharePoint, OneDrive, Loop, and more. And in this case, people were able to see documents from the departments that they don't belong, HR reports, financial documents, and legal draft, all because SharePoint permissions were overly flat and there was no Microsoft Purview sensitivity labels in place. The compliance team triggered two immediate violations. First, lack of data access control, and second, no audit trail of AI delivered content. And under GDPR, even accidental exposure of personal or regulated content is a reportable incident. If we had not caught this, they would have triggered a full-blown scale investigation on data breach. Here's exactly what we did in 72 hours. We paused access for Microsoft Copilot for everyone except the test users. We scanned the complete content of SharePoint and OneDrive with Microsoft Purview. We applied sensitivity labels and auto-classification policies. We created DL-based access rules with role-based scoping. We enabled audit logs plus activity alerts for Copilot interactions. And we delivered a 3-layered Microsoft Copilot governance model, which is identity, licensing, and data visibility. So AI doesn't know what should not be seen. It only knows what it is allowed to access. And if you don't govern your own data, Microsoft Copilot will surface anything which it can find, whether it is meant to be shown or not. And that's not bad UX, that's pure GDPR liability. So this was not a Microsoft problem, but this was a readiness problem. Because you don't launch AI tools and then hope for the best, but in reality, you prepare the environment first. I am Rana Usman, and that is exactly the reason why I started this Microsoft Mentor movement, because I wanted to help people to roll out powerful AI tools without creating powerful problems. Subscribe for the next video where I will be telling you whether your organization is ready for Copilot or you are at the risk. See you next time.